What's going on in the stock market, bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. By the depth, that is right, guys. And in today's video, we're going to go over a couple things. We're going to talk about LCA, we're going to talk about Apxt, and we're going to talk about a stock that I just did a video on a couple days ago. And this thing is going to the moon, and I'm slapping myself for not buying it. And I did a video saying why I thought it was going to take off, and it did. So we're going to go over what that stock is, guys, and is it too late to get in on it, or has it already went to the moon? So guys, first I want to say thank you again for 20,000 subscribers, guys. I'm hoping to do a big celebration sometime here over the weekend. Just craziness of Christmas going on. I'm going to say Merry Christmas to all the family out there, the Golden Nugget family that's been supporting me, guys. I don't know if I'll get a video out tomorrow. I wanted to get this one out. Got a lot of family stuff going on, but just wanted to say Merry Christmas to all my family out there. So guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. So all right, guys, let's get to it. Baby. Let's go. Alright guys, and as we are here on the Lancadia Holding Yahoo Finance, look at that market cap, guys. We are at 1 billion market cap right now, so big celebration for LCA crossing the $1 billion market cap. We're just on the road to the beginning here, guys, for this thing to start taking off. And I must say, I'm very impressed with LCA and how it's held up. Because as you know, back here at the beginning of the week, we had a little bit of bad news, man. We got bad news about all this, about the vote and the merger and blah, blah, blah. We didn't know what was going to happen, and people was selling out, man. People was thinking it's done, but the vote just got rescheduled, guys. That's all it is, and they made an amendment to the vote. So basically, the vote now is 100% in a sense, unless something crazy happens. So that new date is December 29th, guys. I have videos on my channel on how to vote if you have not voted through Robinhood. If you have Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, and all that, you should get emails from them. I know a lot of people's telling me they got the vote, so I think we're good to go now, guys, because they did that amendment and things are looking good. There is a whole bunch of SEC filings on LCA as well, so things are looking great. I cannot wait for this to change, but I'm going to do this because we may only have a few more days of it. So I am your boy, Terry Tillman, aka Mr. LCA, and I am the official mayor of Gnogville. That's right. So I'm gonna have to come up with a new slogan once this changes to Gnog. So I don't know what we're gonna do here, guys, but like I could say, man, I am just super hyped that this stock held up and has just been growing all week. Due to that, we're up almost 7% for the week. And as you know from yesterday's video, guys, I'm still holding the same thing. 110 shares, average cost of $13.14 right now. We are at 93.67%. We are almost at 100% double up on this. That's right, guys. We are looking good. But if we go back here to the portfolio, I did want to show you this real quick. The portfolio today on the gains, as you can see, we were up another almost 3% today. And if we go to the 1 year chart, look at that beautiful stuff, guys, up 101.46%. So the portfolio is double now in the 1 year, which is truly amazing. So excited that today went that way and we got the portfolio at a complete double up. So guys, let's get in here and talk about what we're thinking about for LCA. So merger vote coming up on the 29th. I think this stock's gonna pop even more, man. I think we're gonna get up to the 30s. And then hopefully, once we get that ticker symbol change, start talking about selling those covered calls, which I know you guys are excited about. We start getting those premiums. Hopefully the dates will start going to weekly instead of monthly. I don't want to do monthly covered calls. I want weekly covered calls. And once we start doing this process, guys, you're going to see why we wanted to do the weekly covered calls. So I think that pretty much sums up LCA. So let's get in here and just talk a little bit about Apxt and how that thing's been treating us recently. All right, guys, now I want to get here and talk about AvePoint. That's right, ticker symbol APXT, which is Apex Technology. As you can see, this thing is just slow and steady climbing up all week, guys. This thing is up 14.67%. And the 1 day chart, we are up roughly about 5.5% today. So looking real good, man. I can't believe this thing climbed like this already. But as you know, the SPACs are hot, guys. We are still sitting at 70 shares at an average cost of $13.91. We are up over 18.96%. We're up $184 in this position. So what I wanted to do, guys, is get in here to the investor presentation. And I wanted to show you a little bit of their financial profile and what they're saying their year-over-year growth charts looking like. So as you see, Q1 2019 was at 18% growth. Q2 of 2019 was 19%. Q3 of 2019 was 23%. Q4 of 2019 was 25%. Q1 of 2020 was 27%. And Q2 was 29%. So as you see, the millions, as they keep growing a little bit each year, guys, they keep growing up a couple percent each year, every quarter actually, they keep growing. So really, really great stuff here. As you can see in Q2, they were up $101 million in growth, which is exactly what we want to see, guys. All right, guys, and here's a summary of the financial profile of AvePoint. I think this is key we go over this. As you can see, total revenue right now. So as of 2020, they are looking to have $148 million. If we look in 2021, they're expected to have $193 million for a 30% growth. And in 2022, they're expected to have an estimate earnings of $257 million of a 33% growth. I think down here below this is really great as well. The reoccurring revenue, guys, if we look here at 2020 from 2019, $115 million, which is up 39%, and the percentage growth is 78%. So, and if we look down here at the gross profit, if we look at the annual of 2020 to 19, they're up about 72% right here, guys, from 81 million to 107 million. So up really nice right there, guys. The revenue keeps going up, and that's exactly what we want to see for our companies. And if we go down here and look, it kind of gives you a breakdown here of all of the shareholders, the post-transactional ownership of PIPE investors, existing shareholders, Apxt founder and private placement shares, and the Apxt public shareholders, which is 17.6%, which is us, public shareholders. That's all right, guys. And I did want to show this chart here in the presentation, how it shows AvePoint is in an elite class. So there's 212 listed software companies on the NASDAQ. Of those, 137 of them have 150 million revenue in 2020. So AvePoint is one of those. Out of that, there's only 32 companies with a 25% revenue growth. Okay, we're getting better. And look at this one here, guys. There's only 5 companies with a 10% 2020 EBITDA margin, guys. So AvePoint is definitely in an elite class of themselves. And guys, I think now it's time we go talk about that stock I did a video on that has literally went to the moon since we last talked about it. So let's get to it. All right, guys, and here is the video I did literally 4 days ago. And this stock is up huge right now. As you see, I did a video titled, "This Spac has a 3X opportunity. BarkBox, the next Chewy." It only has 611 views. That video did not get much love. But as you see at that stock price when I did that video 4 days ago, guys, it was $13.38. So there was a few people that watched it. I appreciate everyone that watched that video. Hit that thumbs up and liked it. And let's take a peek at where we're at today. Woo-wee! Northern Star now, ticker symbol STIC, is at a price of $17.90, guys. We are up 33.42% in 1 week. This thing is up $4.48. I'm so upset that I did not get in here and purchase this because I pretty much gave my bull thesis of why I thought that BarkBox was going to take off, man, because Chewy. Everyone knows what Chewy is. Everyone heard of BarkBox, I believe, as well. It is a subscription basis of you getting like food, treats, toys for your pets. Who doesn't love their pets, man? Pets is just like children, if not even more than a child. Everyone loves their pets. So I thought this is one in a sense that is always going to be around. It's pandemic proof because even in a pandemic, people's going to take care of their animals probably before themselves. I know my wife would take care of the dogs even before me. if you know what I'm saying. And if I got any husbands out there, they know exactly what I'm saying on this. Women always like to take care of the animals, which I like taking care of the animals too. And I'm just like, man, why didn't I pick up some shares of this, guys? I could have been up pretty good gains of 33% on this, but the monies are tied up and we're in other plays. And honestly, all the SPACs are just blowing up right now. Almost you pick a SPAC and your money's good. But man, this one is just like blowing up like crazy. I just can't believe that 4 days ago we did this and we're up 33% roughly since that video, guys. So what do you think about BarkBox? Do you think this thing has a great opportunity like Chewy? And if you look at Chewy's chart, guys, Chewy is roughly about $100 a share right now. And this stock's $17.90. I think the merger of this is supposed to be sometime in Q1 of 21 roughly. So I'm telling you right now, this is one to put on your watch list. Ticker symbol STIC, Northern Star. If this thing can dip, I'm hoping to pick it up, man. I don't like it at these prices. So I don't know, man. This thing already beat Apxt, which is nuts. This stock already blew away Apxt and like how popular it is, which just blows my mind away. That BarkBox is blowing up right now, higher than Apxt, and then who knows? This thing may even pass freaking LCA for all I know, man. Because people's probably on the thesis of me saying that it could be the second player in the pet industry of Chewy. So it may not be number one, but number two ain't bad when it comes to pets because there's a lot of money. People will spend money on pets, man. That's why I thought this is one that's going to keep growing. And if I recall the video I did on that, guys, BarkBox is still, they make a lot of money, but they're still not profitable. I think it's going to be another 2 to 3 years before BarkBox is going to be profitable. I think they're just putting more money back into the research, more money back into advertising and the products. So I think as they get a few more years in, BarkBox may be profitable. So I've been trying to research more on the pets because I think that pets and food, as you know, a tattoo chef and all that, guys, are big topics. They're always going to be around. I like LCA because of the gambling. I like AvePoint because of the cloud software technology. And I'm in another couple plays for reasons, but I think gambling's a good one. Cloud software is a good one. And your pets is a good one as well. And I'm just like, missed out on this one. But maybe we'll get a dip in January. Who knows? We may have an opportunity to get this again down into the 14s. I'd like to get this 14 to 15, under 15. I would love to get it back in the 13s. I would love to get that, but I don't know if it's ever going to go back there. So we're going to keep this on the radar and comment down below. Were you one of the 600 and some people that watched my video? And if you did watch it, did you scoop up some shares at that $13 call? So, all right, guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. Like I said, guys, Merry Christmas. I don't know if I have a video out tomorrow. If I do, it may be late night. If not, I'll have one out on Saturday. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. Link down below, Teespring link. And, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Baby? Baby? Baby!